Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to find words in Google Docs. If you've been searching for a way to search for a specific word in Google document, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To find or search for specific words in Google Docs. First of all, open Google Docs on your computer or mobile device. Once you are in Google Docs, open the document where you want to search for specific words. In this document, I want to find this report's word. So, to find this specific word, you can use the browser shortcut key. Press Ctrl F on Windows or Command F on Mac. If you are using the mobile app, tap on the three dots menu at the top of the screen and tap on Find and Replace from the menu. A search bar will appear at the top of the screen. Type the word that you want to find in this search bar. Google Docs will highlight all the words in the document. Use the arrows next to the search bar to navigate through each word. You can also press the Enter key from the keyboard. Alternatively, you can use the Find and Replace feature of Google Docs to easily find and replace one or all specific words in a click. At the top of the screen, click on the Edit menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Find and Replace. Type the word in the Find section and the word to replace it within the Replace with section. Click Replace to replace the currently selected word, or click Replace All to replace all instances of the word in the document. By following these steps, you will be able to find and manage specific words in your Google Docs document.